Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove DoorDash payment method. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to remove a DoorDash payment method, you need to navigate to the payment method section. So simply tap open your DoorDash app, and once you open it, you need to go to your profile. Once you tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can simply scroll down below and find the payment section right over there. So once you have tapped on the payment section, you will be redirected to this interface. From there, you can simply locate the payment method you wish to remove and simply select the delete option, which usually involves swiping or tapping on the delete icon. So you can simply swipe the card option to the left hand side and you can find the delete option right over there. Simply tap on the delete option and it will remove your DoorDash payment method. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and we will be back again really soon.